Hi guys, got a challenge or a suggestion from Jag Betty. He's got a set of these spinning magnet things, Magni rings. Bought mine in Poundland, and he wanted to know what was inside them. I mean, obviously there's a magnet there somewhere. Actually, if I just bring that light over, it's going to be a bit bright. Right, looks to me, looking at the light there, like we've got a series of magnets around the outer edge. Well, I say around the outer edge. I think they're held in place in that black ring. And we got, can you see how many? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I reckon. I reckon we've got 6 magnets held in place by that black thing. And then the bit in the middle can spin round. Doesn't spin that freely, to be honest. Anyway, let's put the light out the way again. Right, so what we're going to do is take one apart. I bought 2 sets because I thought it'd be a bit of a shame if we destroyed one set and couldn't play with them. These ones are supposed to be glow in the dark. Oh, I think we're just going to pop apart with a bit of luck. I was expecting to have to fight, but no, I think we're coming apart quite easily. We can see the magnets. So, like I said, 6 magnets held in place by that black frame. Well, held in place by the whole thing, I suppose. But... And then this bit, that's the runner, spinner, whatever. What they're supposed to spin round on. And so, to be honest, they're not that. It's not that free. I suppose you could lubricate it. But yeah, that's your magnets. Little square ones. I wonder if they're the same way. They are reversed. So one way. Yeah. So it's pushing apart there, coming together there. So they're alternate. So to put that back in the right place, I need to turn it over. So push, connect, push, yeah. Oh, that one's pulled out. Push, connect, push. And there we go. So I didn't destroy them. I was worried I might destroy them. So they don't spin very well. And then it suggests you do clever flicking with them, or you play hockey or billiards with them. Pass your Magni ring through the magnetic field without getting stuck. Stick multiple Magni rings together and bounce another off the stack. There you go, you can read it yourself. I think £2 is a bit much in Poundland. On the other hand, there's 6 neodymium magnets in each one, So that's 18 small neodymium magnets. You'd probably pay something like £2 to get them from China. I don't know, I haven't bought any lately, to be honest. I have to look up the prices. Maybe it's a good bargain for 18 little rectangular magnets. Probably work for my pulse motors. Well, I don't know about the game they were suggesting. Bounce off another stack. Nah. Yeah, I'll look up the price of neodymium magnets, see what sort of price. So I've paid £4 there for 6636 magnets. Well, they do glow in the dark. Oh, well, I only held one side to the light, so that's why only one side's a light, I suppose. Fair enough. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.